The Classic refrigerator, with its vibrant colors and unique design, deviates from the traditional, dull-looking compact refrigerators. With its distinctive 50s retro design, it makes any kitchen come alive. The polished metal frame adds a touch of class and elegance to the overall design. There's plenty of storage space inside, with different compartments and shelves to further organize your food. The control dial at the top with its old-school retro design allows for easy temperature control. The easy roll-out drawer allows for convenient food storage. The refrigerator carries the elegant metal design through to the interior, with its metal decoration stamping on the sturdy adjustable shelves. The Fresh Keeper pulls out completely so you can restock it on your work surface. The slim pocket on the bottom utilizes the otherwise unused space. The pockets are equipped with an extra stainless bar for security so nothing tips out. Multi-Keeper allows you to keep the insides of your fridge nice and tidy. The Classic design comes in 4 different colors: mint green, red, cream white, and black. The model is equipped with a multifunctional tabletop, allowing you to use it at your convenience. On the energy efficiency scale, this refrigerator has an excellent energy rating. The Classic, a refrigerator that brings elegance and style to your kitchen. Retro-designed microwave ovens and washing machines are also available. Value beyond imagination. Daewoo Electronics.